use here is going to be a screwdriver and a trim tool. This panel here, but to do that we do need to open it just slightly. So we'll unwind it back like so, and then basically all you do is you get here, you just pull it down slowly as you go across. It's pretty simple, and then you just slide it back as much as you can, like so, exposing the roof, the adjusters with the adjuster screws for the height there and there. Okay, so we close the sunroof again, fully closed, and push the panel all the way back. It's in there, you can just about see it in there together again. So you loosen off these screws here, here, and as you can see, the roof cut, the panel comes off. Now the next thing that's holding it on are these little bits here. So this is literally pull it down and towards you, and that's it. It just clips on really easy. And we do the same on here. Pull it down and towards you, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see, little seal, this little locating plate sits in there. So you loosen these off, take them off. And just slide it out like that. Goes into the tray. Take off the locating plate. Okay, so it's these 4 screws, the locating plate. That's the height adjusters for the front, for each side. Loosen it off, and that's it. Literally, just a matter of pushing it, and that's it. The panel's loose. So okay, so as you can see, the panel is almost off. Just got this little bit here. So you do is move it out to the side. You just put it out, and that's it. The panel's totally off. The panel's off now. The deflector works well on this one. These are in good condition. The seals are still there, which is important. So you remove those. There we go. It's finally off. Put that in the tray, which then lets us take this panel off. So the next thing we do is pull it off from the back, because there's clips at the front, and literally then you just pull it towards you. These have all broken with age, the back ones, but the front ones are still there, which is the main ones, yeah, which we have to remove. So yep, it's a simple case of just removing the screws. Okay, so the next thing we need to remove is the wind deflector. It's in the way. So we do that by removing these 2 screws, one on each side. And we do the same on the other side. So as you can see, the arms come off quite simply. We do the same on the other side. And then as you can see, the deflectors actually come all the way up, which then gives us access to these 4 screws. Okay, so now we have the deflectors loose. literally just lift it up, put it to the back. So it's out of the way. Our box of bits. So this is the pin, as you can see, that is broken away from there on both sides. Okay, so we're left with now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws left to take off. Okay, so we'll, again, these are different. Some are self-tappers, some are threaded. See, this is very different, this one here, to those two that were there, and that one. Okay, so we've got one here. We've come around to the other side now. That's it, now all the screws are off. So, as you'll notice, you'll be able to lift it up. There should be no real resistance here. And literally, it all comes up. So, both hands. Be careful. And do the other side. Just slide that back in again. Just slowly work it out. Okay, we've now got it on the bench. So basically all you do is just pull it apart. Basically leaves us with the centre bit, which is where the handle gear goes onto, and then we're left with the right side, and the left side. Release this trim. Literally just comes up. You literally just lift it up, like so, and then just slide it out, like so. And as you can see, it's all one piece. So it goes over there with that bit. This one, we just do the same, slide it out. And there we have it. We've taken it apart fully and not broken anything. So this is part one, stripped down.